Okay, so let us start. In Rameshwar?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we were studying introduction to trigonometry.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yeah.
Introduction to trigonometry. So in this we already completed exercise 8.1 and exercise
8.2.
8.2. So already exercise 8.1 and exercise 8.2 we have finished, correct?
Yes, sir.
We have finished. Right. Let us start 8.3. In that 8.3, what we need to study? We need to study that sine 90 degree minus A. Okay. So what it is there? You know that this is coordinate geometry already you are knowing.
Yes, sir.
So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is called first quadrant.
Yes, sir.
This is called second quadrant. This is called third quadrant, and this is called fourth quadrant. So quadrant. Right.
Yes, sir.
So mainly our discussion will be limited to first quadrant only. Okay. Later on in 11th standard, you will be studying about second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. At present, we need to study only about first quadrant. So in first quadrant, what it is there means the angle between 0 to 90 degree.
Yes, sir.
This is 0 degree, 90 degree. Okay.
Okay.
So 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree. This is 270 degree, and again back to
360 degree.
360 degree. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So our discussion is limited to 0 to 90 degree. So what it is there? Sine 90 degree minus A. So it will be cos A. So corresponding angle will come.
Okay, sir.
If sine 90 degree minus A is there, then you will get cos A. Okay. Similarly, cos 90 degree minus A will become sine A.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Then another one, tan 90 degree minus A. So it is giving to us as cot A.
Got it. Oh, yes, sir.
Then cot 90 degree minus A will be giving us
Tan.
tan A. Very good. So the same we are going to utilize in our next exercise 8.3. The same we will be utilizing and we will be solving questions. So second 90 degree minus A will be equal to cosecant A. Correct? And cosecant 90 degree minus A will be equal to
Secant.
secant A. Right? So this particular formulas we are going to utilize in exercise 8.3. See, in exercise 8.1, basic trigonometry was used. Basic. So what was the basic trigonometry? Means in exercise 8.1 we were drawing a right angle triangle.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
And we were naming it as opposite. Suppose this is the angle theta. We are putting it. ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at B. Then this is just beside this angle theta, it is opposite.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, adjacent. This is
Adjacent, opposite.
adjacent. Okay. So this is called adjacent and this is called opposite. And this is hypotenuse. So on the basis of this opposite, hypotenuse, adjustment,
Yes, sir.
adjacent, we solved in exercise 8.1. We found various trigonometric functions like sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, cos A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So all these ratios we found in exercise 8.1. Very good. Okay. So by utilizing a right angle triangle, this was the basic. It was basic. In exercise 8.2, we found trigonometric ratios for different angles. Okay, so for different angles, for 0 degree, for 30 degree, 60, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree, correct?
Yes, sir.
So for these angles, we went for finding out various trigonometric values.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We found for all trigonometric values, that is sin 0 degree, so what it is? 0, sin 30 degree 1 by 2, sin 45 degree 1 by root 2, 60 degree root 3 by 2 and 1. Like this, we found values from 0 degree to 90 degree for all trigonometric functions in 8.2.
Yes, sir.
And we solve questions based on direct putting the value of the angles.
Yes, sir.
Okay, trigonometric functions. In your exercise 8.3, we will be utilizing this one, complementary angles. Okay, so for sin 90 degree minus A, if A is the angle, A is any angle, so what it is? It is cos A. Cos 90 degree minus A is equal to sin A. Tan 90 degree minus A is equal to cot A. So similarly, sin 90 degree plus A is also there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if plus A will be there, see here in first quadrant it is coming.
Yes, sir.
So for your information I am telling you, in first quadrant all functions are positive.
Yes, sir.
All functions are positive. Okay, so when you will going for sin 90 plus A, then we will be moving to second quadrant. If we are moving to second quadrant, these values will be same. Cos A, sin A, cot A only will be there, but sign will get changed. Okay, why? Because in second quadrant only sine and cosecant, these two only are positive, remaining all are negative.
Yes, sir.
Okay, remaining all are negative. Like sin 90 minus A. So if you are doing sin 90 plus A, so you are coming to second quadrant.
Yes, sir.
So in second quadrant sin is already positive. So your cos A will be positive. Correct?
Yes, sir.
But cos 90 degree minus cos 90 degree plus A, I am talking about plus A.
Bless you.
At present you need not to study, just for your information it is there. You need not to study, in your book it is not there for you. When you will be coming up in 11th standard and all, then you will be studying 90 plus A, correct? Then you will be studying 180 plus A, 180 minus A, 360 plus A, 360 minus A, all those things you will be studying at that time.
Yes, sir.
Just for your information I am telling you that in first quadrant all are positive. But when you are moving to second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, sign will get changed. Why? Because here sin and cosecant only positive. Here tan and cot only are positive, remaining all are negative. In fourth quadrant, cos and secant, these two only are positive, all are negative. So those formulas or those rules will be applied. Correct?
Okay.
Okay, let us not spend more time in those things what you did not study now. This thing you understand. This is the formula.
Yes.
Okay, so on the basis of this, we will be solving what? Some problems of, you can say, exercise 8.3. Like you see that sin 90 degree minus A is equal to cos A, how it is coming. Just for an example for you. So, taking the example of a right angle triangle. Suppose this is there. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose this angle is there and I am making it, this is the right angle triangle, and let us make it as A. Why? Because here angle A is there. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So this angle A will take. Okay, and this is B, this is C. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now in this, what it is there? C. Now sine, this is right angle triangle.
Yes, sir.
So this B is right angle.
Yes, sir.
So angle B is equal to 90 degree. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, so angle A and angle C, sum of angle A plus angle C will be equal to what? See, this is 90 degree.
Yes, sir.
A plus C will be equal to what?
90.
90 degrees. Because sum of all the angles of a triangle will be equal to
Yes, sir.
180 degree. 180 degree. So you have already said that it is 90 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what it is there, you see. So angle C can be written as 90 degree minus angle A. Can be right?
Yes, sir.
90 degree minus angle A.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. If we are writing 90 degree minus angle A, then what we will be doing? Let us see. So what we are doing? Take sine both sides. Sine means what? This sine, angle, trigonometric function.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so now putting trigonometric function, what? Sine, both sides, huh? In this one. So you can say that from here, sine angle C should be equal to sine 90 degree minus A.
Yes, sir.
Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Angle A you write or simply A I will be writing, no problem. That doesn't matter?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So sine 90 degree minus A is equal to sine angle C. Now sine angle C is equal to what? This is sine angle C.
Yes, sir.
So if this is sine angle C, so it means for this angle it will become opposite.
Yes, sir.
It will become adjacent.
Yes, sir.
So it will be opposite. So this divided by this
Okay.
for sine.
Yes, sir.
This AB by AC.
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? So here you can write that AB by AC.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This will be equal to sine 90 degree minus A. Now what is this AB by AC? Suppose this angle A is there.
Yes, sir.
So AB by AC is equal to what? Cos angle A?
Yes, sir.
Cos angle A?
Adjacent
So,
by hypotenuse.
so adjacent by hypotenuse?
Yes, sir.
So we can write as sine 90 degree minus A is equal to cos A.
Yes.
Okay? So we got
Yes, sir.
this one. So in this way we can prove all. This is the main funda behind it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this way we can prove for each and everything. Problem is not
Yes,
there. Right? Okay. Let us solve one question of exercise 8.3.
Yes, sir.
See here. So now exercise 8.3. Let us start. So question number 1 says
Evaluate
evaluate.
sine 18 degree.
Okay. So first one is sine
18 degree
18 degree
divided by
cos
cos 72 degree.
72 degree.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Now what we'll be doing, that sine 18 degree is there,
Yes, sir.
that we can write 90 degree minus
80 degree.
72 degree.
Also.
72 degree. Here 18 is there, na?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
So 18 how it will come? 90 minus 72 only will give you 18.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
90 minus 18 will give you 72.
Yes, sir.
Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 90 minus 72 will be 18 degree
Yes, sir.
divided by cos 72 degree. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now sin 90 minus A is equal to what?
Cos A.
Cos A. So here it will become cos
80. 72.
72 degree. This is A.
Yes, sir.
In present case, this is A.
Yes, sir.
So cos 72. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Cos 72 degree divided by cos 72 degree. Both will get cancelled.
Yes, sir.
It will be
1.
1.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yes.
So how nicely this is utilized, you have understood now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, one more question we will be doing from here. Tell me which one?
Third subdivision, sir.
Third subdivision. Okay, no problem. Please tell me.
Cos 48 degree
Cos 48 degree
minus
minus
sin
sin
42 degree.
sin 42 degree. Okay, sin 42 degree.
Yes, sir.
Then what it is, here you can see. Now cos 48 degree minus sin 42 degree. So suppose we are writing cos here 90 minus 42 degree. Right?
Yes.
So 90 minus 42 will be giving you what? 10 minus 2, 8. And 8 minus 4, 4. So 48 degree.
Yes, sir.
So 90 minus 42 we can write very well.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Minus sin 42 degree. So this is giving to us that cos 90 minus A. Cos 90 minus A is equal to
Sin A.
sin A. So sin A minus, sorry,
Sin
sin A. So sin 42 degree.
Yes, sir.
Sin 42 degree
Yes.
only. And minus sin
Sin 42.
42 degree
Is equal to
is equal to 0. Understood
Yeah.
now? Okay. So note it down. Then we will solve another questions. Huh?